Hey boys and girls, Miss Stout here. I'm so excited to do math with you guys today. Today you will also need your place value math that we worked with yesterday. So I'll give you a second to go grab that and then you can push pause on your video and then I'll be here when you get back.
So today we are going to be looking at a problem and we are going to decide which of these boxes does not belong. We're going to look at these numbers and figure out which number is different from the other numbers. Go ahead and pause the video right now and I want you to look at and I want you to think about which of those would be different from the others. Let's look at this together. Our first number is written in standard form, 848. That was very easy for me to read. Let's look at this next box and see if those two are the same. This is showing 800s, 4 10s, and 8 1s. So I can write that using an equation. Or I can use base 10 blocks to help me solve. So 800s, four tens, and 8 1s. What number does that make? You are right. That makes the number 848. So I'm going to go ahead and write on my paper that this number in standard form is 848. This next problem says 700 plus 13 tens plus 18 ones. I've gone ahead and drawn that here. Our 700s, 13 tens, and 18 ones. The first thing that I notice is we have so many ones right here. I've noticed that there are 10 ones. Yesterday we talked about how 10 ones equals 1 10. So I'm going to take those 10 ones and I've moved them to the tens place. Now I only have 8 ones. Now let's look at the tens place. I noticed in the tens place, I also have a lot of tens there. I think I can take, that's 5 tens plus 5 tens. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's 10 tens. 10 tens equals 100. So I'm going to take those 10 tens and move them over. Now I have 8 hundreds. Plus I have 4 tens, plus I have 8 ones. What is 800 plus 40 plus 8? Very good. That also equals 800. So now let's look at this last box. This last box says 884. Is 884 the same as 848? How would I write 884 in standard form? You are right. That is how we would write that number. So which of these boxes is different? This bottom right-hand box is different because that number is 884 and all the rest of the boxes make 848.
Solving that today. Give yourself a pat on the back. So now you are going to go to Seesaw and you are going to complete lesson 2 and it will be some eliminated games that you will be playing. Don't forget your base 10 blocks and your place value mat are a great tool to help you solve these problems. If you're not going to complete the activity on the computer on Seesaw, you can go back to our 2nd grade math page and there are some options for you to complete your work on paper. Have a great day.